Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. We are studying linear equation chapter. Today we are going to solve the word problems of linear equations. That means by reading the question, we will frame the linear equation and then we will solve. Understood? See here, it is given that the first question is 3/7 of a number is 12, then find the number. So children, first we will suppose the number. Let the number be x. If number is x, then according to the question, 3/7 means 3 upon 7 of a number means x. 3 upon 7x is 12 means equal to 12. Is this understood? 3/7 of a number is 12. 3/7 means 3 upon 7. Of a number means into x. Of a number means into the number. A number is x is equal to 12. Is this understood? 3/7 into x is equal to 12. Now find the value of x. X is equal to 12 into 7 upon 3. See, 3/7 is multiplied with x. So when 3/7 will be transferred right hand side, it will divide 12. When 12 is divided by 3/7, 7 will be the numerator, 3 will be the denominator. Okay, now solve and get your answer. 3 dividing 12 by 4 times. So x is equal to 4 into 7, 28. Okay, now see the second one. A number increased by 9 gives 43, then find the number. So again, let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now according to the question, when number increased by 9 gives 43, number is x, increased by means plus, increased means something will be added, increased by 9 means 9 is added, gives 43 means equal to 43. I hope this is easy to solve. X is equal to 43 minus 9 means 34. X is equal to 34. That means the required number is 34. Okay, see the third question. 3/4 of a number exceeds its 1/3 by 15. Find the number. See, what is the meaning of statement? 3/4 of a number exceed its 1/3 by 15 means 3/4 of a number is 15 greater than its 1/3. This is the meaning. 3/4 of a number is 15 greater than 1/3. So first we will take the number. Let the number be x. Okay. Now what is the question saying? 3/4 of a number means 3 upon 4x. 3/4 of a number means 3 upon 4x. Exceed is greater than 1/3 of it by 15. This is the meaning of this statement. 3/4 of a number is 15 greater than 1/3 of itself. Now see children, there is a technique to frame the equation here. If the word exceed is given, then you can do this one. 3/4 of a number means 3/4x. At the place of exceed, put minus 1/3 of itself. So 1/3x. At the place of by, put equal. This is the technique. Meaning of the statement is this: 3/4 of a number exceed 15 by 1/3 of the number. Now see here, if 1/3x is transferred this side, then 3/4x minus 1/3x is equal to 15 you will get. See, I have written here 3 by 4x minus 1 by 3x is equal to 15. That means if you have understood the meaning of this statement, then you can frame this equation. Suppose you forget, then learn this technique. If the word exceed and by is coming, then at the place of exceed put minus, at the place of by put equal. See here, 3/4 of a number, 3 by 4x, because x is the number, exceeds. So at the place of exceed put minus, it's 1/3. It means numbers 1/3. So 1 by 3x by 15 means equal to 15. So I have told you both the things, meaning of the statement also and technique also. From here also you will get the same thing. Okay, now solve and get your answer. Since this is a fraction, so we will take LCM. 4 and 3, LCM will be 12. 12 is divided by 4, 3. 3 into 3, 9 into x, 9x, minus 3 dividing 12, 4. 4 into 1, 4 into x, 4x is equal to 15. Now this 12 will be cross multiplied here. So 9 minus 4x, you will get 5x is equal to 15 into 12. 9x minus 4x is 5x. This 12 will be cross multiplied. So 5 into 12. So x is equal to 15 into 12 upon 5. Now see here. 5 dividing 15 by 3 times. So 3 into 12, 36. That means required number is 36. Now note down these questions. Now question number 4. A number exceeds 20% of itself by 40. Find the number. Again, suppose the number be x. Okay, now see. A number exceeds. I told you the technique. Number exceeds. At the place of exceeds, put minus. 20% of itself. 20% of itself. Itself means the number itself. By. At the place of by, put equal. 40. Understood? A number exceeds 20% of itself by 40. What is the meaning of this statement? This is the technique. At the place of exceed, put minus. At the place of by, put equal. What is the meaning of this statement? The number is 40 more than 20% of itself. The meaning of this statement is number is 40 greater than 20% of itself. Understood? What is the meaning of this statement? The number is 40 greater than 20% of itself. Okay? And how to frame the equation? The easy technique is here. At the place of exceed, put minus. At the place of by, put equal. Is this clear? Now solve and get your answer. X minus 20% means 20 upon 100. Of means into x is equal to 40. 20 dividing 100 by 5 times means x minus x by 5 is equal to 40 is our equation. Now solve it and get your answer. 5 will be taken LCM here. Then 5 into x, 5x minus here x will remain is equal to 40. 5x minus x is 4x. This 5 will be cross multiplied by 440. So 5 into 40, 200. 5 will be multiplied by 40, it will be 200. Now 4 will divide 200, then x is equal to 4 into 5, 20, 400. That means required number is 50. Is this clear? Now see question number 5. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, so first suppose the number. let the number be x. Now 10 is added. 10 is added to 4 times a number. 4 times a number means 4 into x. The result is 10 plus 4 is the result. 10 plus 4x is the result, because we cannot solve it, because this is the unlike terms. So this result gives are equal to 5 less than. 5 less than means 5 is subtracted from any number. 5 less than means 5 will be subtracted from any number. From which number? Less than 5 times the number. 5 times the number means 5x. See the equation how I have formed. 10 is added to 4 times a number. 10 is added to 4 times a number. This result is means equal to. Result is 5 less than means 5 is subtracted. 5 less than 5 times a number means 5 into x. Now solve this and get your answer. 4x minus 5x is equal to minus 5 minus 10. How is it coming? I hope you have understood. 4x minus 5x is minus x. Minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. Now both the negative sign will cancel each other. X is equal to 15 will be the answer. Okay. Now see this one. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Then find the numbers. Children, do you know what is the consecutive numbers? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called the consecutive numbers. Means numbers which are continue. Okay. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Children, these are the consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means continue. We know that after 1, 3 is the odd. After 3, 5 is the odd. After 5, 7 is the odd. So continue odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. These are called consecutive even numbers. Understood? Your question is sum of two consecutive odd numbers. We know that which odd numbers we have to take. So let the two consecutive odd numbers are x and x plus 2. Yes, this is the noted point. See here, if one first odd number is x, then second odd number will be x plus 2. Check from here. First number is 3, then first number is 1, then second odd number is 1 plus 2, then it will come 3. Are you watching? Suppose first number is 7. If first number is 7, then second odd number will be 7 plus 2. Are you watching? After 7, 9 is the odd number. So if 7 is x, then 9 will be x plus 2. Is this clear? That is why whenever you are taking consecutive odd numbers or even numbers, you will take x and x plus 2. Okay? Now see. Question is asking sum of two consecutive odd numbers, means x plus 2 is equal to 56. First number is x, second number is x plus 2, and sum of these two is 56. Now solve and get your answer. X plus x, 2x, when plus 2 will be transferred right hand side, it will be subtracted. 56 minus 2 is 54. 56 minus 2 is 54. So x is equal to 2 dividing 54 by 27 times. That means x is equal to 27. But this is not your answer. Why? Because there are two numbers, x and x plus 2. And you have got only one number, 27. So what will be your answer? First number is x. Second number will be x plus 2. That means 27 plus 2, that means 29. So your answer is 27 and 29. Is this clear? Because there are two numbers, x and x plus 2. If you are writing your answer till here only, if you solve till here only, then that will be called your half question, half solution. Understood? Must complete it by finding both the values. For today, this much is over. Solve the questions based on these type which I told you today. Attempt your book questions, solve the examples and do practice well. I have given one assignment with it. Solve, send back it to me on the same day so that I can mark you present. Okay? Bye bye.